In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best rider build in Elden Ring Nightreign. So this is a pretty good build for our big boy raider. So this is my build for him. So any of these relics or the effects are pretty good. The most important thing here is this one. Taking attack improves attack power. You just need to find this one and you're golden. Because as Raider you will tank damage a lot using your hyper armor skill. This one is the most important one for me. Taking attack improves attack power. And also having damage taken while using character skill improves stamina and attack power. So this one gives you 10% attack, I think, for 15 for 30 seconds. This one gives you 15% attack and stamina for 30 seconds. So these two stack a lot. So if you get damaged by using the skill, you will get more damage and stuff like that. And stance breaking is pretty nice on him, or partial restoration is pretty good too. Stance breaking initial attack is good for him. If you are stacking those both, you need to learn a specific move set on him. So I'm gonna call this the initial the guard reset. So when you attack, guard, then attack again. So when you see him raise his hand, I like his weapon when you guard, you attack again to reset it fast so you don't do this. So when you do it correctly, right, you will start the initial attack again and stack a lot of damage using him. So I like using this technique on Raider because you will stance break a lot when you use this technique, plus you have the initial attack on him. So I use this, the way I use him like that. So 185, the damage, it's like consistently 259, 258, and that's really nice on him. Because if you do the second chain, you will get like the 185, so it's a bit lower. So if you do this in practice on this guy right here, you will gain, look, you can stance break him 2 hits, so that's pretty nice. So any relics you can get on the small jar bazaar, there are pretty good ones. So this one on Raider, hold up, I think it's here. Guardian, Duchess, Executor, I think doesn't have one, but I think the improved poise one is pretty good on him. So partial SP restoration, pretty nice. This Guardian, this one's for him for sure. Improved poise near Totem Sala, Vigor 2, Strength 2. This one's nice on him. So it doesn't have a specific relic for him here, but that's fine because you can go to the collector signboard and get a really good relic for him. So if you didn't get good RNG, you can get this relic for him. So stance breaking when wielding 2 ornaments, and stamina recovers with each successful attack. That's pretty good also. You can also take this one, improve stamina attack. So you can this one, improve stamina stance breaking with 2-handing. That means if you hold it with your 2 hands, you will stance break a lot. Improve initial attack and poise 3. So I like using this one, but I don't I like the effects. Poise 3 means you will be harder to knock down. So that is a really good relic for him. And you can get the collector signboard after defeating an Everdark Sovereign, so that's pretty nice. So if you guys like this Raider build, the Unga Bunga strat, like and subscribe and turn notification. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.